Alright, so we got the Neo as a tripod. I got the Tercaso X-30 here. It's a little foldy boy. Cheapo on Amazon, but it's pretty fun. Let's check it out. Alright, so this isn't like a comparison between this Tercaso X-30 and the DJI Neo, because I'll tell you right now, I mean, if it were, the DJI Neo would just blows this thing out of the water in every single aspect. But this is kind of a little bit of a look at this Tercaso X-30 thing, as well as kind of showcasing the DJI Neo in spotlight mode. There's a ton of videos out there with the Neo. People are just having a blast and really using this thing to the fullest. But this Tercaso thing isn't bad either. For $50 on Amazon, it looks like a little like a mini, like a knockoff DJI Mini 4K. It does have brushless motors. It's no GPS, but it's got optical flow. It's got whatever this is, gesture control. So you put up a peace sign, and I didn't learn till afterward. You can, once it initiates the timer, you don't have to keep holding the peace sign. You can do whatever pose or whatever you're trying to do. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature for a $50 brushless drone with optical flow. And you'll see I'm pretty much hands-free here, and it is kind of windy out here today. I don't know if you can see it in the Neo at all. That thing's rock solid compared to this thing, but Wi-Fi video, FPV on the Tercaso. I think I get ready to actually set the controller down, maybe. Yep. So I guess point being, if you wanted a drone that's fairly easy to fly, it would be great for beginners. However, I would be kind of skeptical handing it to a kid, because this thing will fly away from you. It will crash into other things. I'm pretty experienced with drones. Notice I am kind of a little nervous and ready to snatch that controller up. You see, this thing is floating around, and I don't know if it's going to get a wild hair and just take off. So I don't recommend doing the hands-off thing I was just doing here, but I was just showing you that it holds its position with the optical flow fairly well on a kind of a windy day. So just trying to give it the best, the best chances for what it is and what I'm putting it up against. It does have, you can control the gimbal as well. It's a snappy servo type thing. So, but yeah, you can control the camera angle during flight. I forgot to mention that, which is another really cool feature for a $50 drone. So big takeaways here. If you're on the fence about the Neo, it's $200. It's one of the best drones I've ever owned and flown. The Tercaso for $50, it'll get you in the door and it's fun to fly. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if I helped you out. See you next time.